Okay, so it's pouring down rain, so it's probably hard to hear me, but I just mocked up the rear end on the 30 build. Looks pretty sweet. We're gonna have to modify some stuff. Obviously, seat side covers, the ones that it came with, are like, they look nice, but they're a little bit too long. But it's looking sick. Everything's just mocked up. Everything's pretty loose right now, but I gotta take it all back apart so I can do the air ride, lights, fitment, and then take it all back apart again after putting it, finishing the mock-up stage and making sure everything's gonna fit and work and all that. Take it all apart and send it out to paint. But so far it's looking sweet. I took some videos and I'm so stoked. I'm so pumped. It's gonna look so badass. But yeah. Anyway, if you like what you're seeing, like, comment, and subscribe.
Alessandro is long gone.
Front ends off, triple trees, fairing, huge mess. Forks, tank, front fairing, headlight, whole dash, gauge pod, inner fairing, wheels mounted, looking good. There's the old wheel. It's a 30-inch front wheel. I still gotta beat it, but I always put sealer around the valve cores, these big wheels. But like I said, tomorrow we are going to put the bolt-on neck kit. Bars are over here laying down. Super messy, but it is what it is. So tomorrow we're going to put on the bolt-on neck, the rake and all that stuff. Start doing the air ride, forks and all that. Got to get all this stuff prepped to go to the painter. The whole fairing's got to get pulled out, but there you have it for right now. Whole front end's off, making progress.